Welcome to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to send location on Messenger from your iPhone or Android. In this case, you could actually use any of these devices. The procedure will remain the same. But before we move on, make sure that the application is completely updated. So open up your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Messenger and check whether it needs to be updated or not. After it's completely updated, you want to simply open up the application and log into your account. Once logged in, what you want to do is open up the particular chat page for whom you want to make sure to send the location. Click on the plus in the bottom left hand side corner. You could find this pop-up window. So here you have a location. You simply want to make sure to allow location access and make sure to allow, and once again enable the permissions. If you're sure about sharing the live location or to make sure it's accurate, so click on this arrow icon and click on start sharing. Once you've actually done it, so you've successfully shared your live location. And now that if you want to stop it, you want to click on stop live sharing, and that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.